Respected Chief Minister, sir, Honorable Ministers and all collectors, and Irfan Alana Bhai of Alana Group, hearty congratulations to the Honorable Chief Minister for coming out with such a scheme and in such hard times, which are going to better the lives of thousands and thousands of people. In this Corona time, without thinking, Chief Minister is always doing something for the poor, which will never be forgotten by everybody in this state of Andhra Pradesh. My humble request is to Irfan Alana Bhai that he has agreed to start a unit in East Godavari for the betterment and for YSR Cheyuta scheme. We also request Irfan Bhai to start a unit in Kurnool, same time simultaneously along with the East Godavari unit, not after this starts. And then by next year to announce a unit in Vizag, which we should come to support of not only our Chief Minister but also all the citizens of our state because of the vision of Chief Minister. We humbly request you that you must do something. It is a very small thing for your big group, but it will be enlightening and brightening the lives of many, many poor people, and who will always be praying for you and thankful to you and the Honorable Chief Minister, who has helped everyone in such hard times. There's no government in India in such Corona times is doing schemes for the poor all the time. We humbly thank the Honorable Chief Minister and request Irfan Bhai to please commit to start in Kurnool. Government is giving full support in Kurnool, in East Godavari, and please start a unit in Vizag also as soon as possible. Humble request to you, Irfan Bhai. Please, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Now I request Irfan Alana, Chairman Alana Group, to give his briefing. Thank you.
Namaskar. Andariki Shubhodayam. Andariki Namaskara. I am grateful, respected Excellency, and for this opportunity to be able to speak to the audience. It is remarkable that in spite of the COVID, you all have managed to organize such a vast program across various districts of the state. So I can speak in English, and if you wish, I have a colleague in our company. He's from Andhra Pradesh. He can speak simultaneously in Telugu, or I can continue in English, whatever is preferred.
I think you can go ahead in English. It's okay.
Should someone translate simultaneously in Telugu whilst I'm speaking in English?
Sir, you can go ahead in English, sir. Please go ahead.
Very good. Excellency, your vision and initiatives are novel and path-breaking. Significantly, the projects and schemes are empowering the marginalized and underrepresented women folk of the state. I sincerely pray that God Almighty will bless you in your efforts, because the women in the state, as in the country, need appreciation for where they have brought us. We are all children of women. They are the mothers of our children, and they are the backbone of society. So it is very, very interesting that you have announced the YSR Cheyuta scheme, which is empowering the women. I would like to congratulate everyone on the launch of this project for sheep and goat rearing, and I'm privileged that our group will be associated with this. We are a 155-year-old organization. For us, the priority is sustainability of the business and all-round benefit for all the participants. It's not just that the corporate should be making money and getting rich. It is important to look at the welfare of the participants and also support the CSR initiatives of the state as well as of the group. I'm thankful to Shri Praveen Prakash, the district administration of East Godavari, especially the collector and the superintendent of police of East Godavari. The Animal Husbandry Department of Andhra Pradesh is acknowledged in the country for the sound policies, and I am confident that Andhra Pradesh state will be the first of the 3 states to be internationally recognized as free from the FMD disease. This will improve the productivity of the livestock and grant market access to developed countries. I am aware that the veterinary services of the state are already very well developed, and this will contribute to improving the productivity of the livestock and animal health. We are grateful to join hands with the state government in the YSR Chiyuta scheme. Shri Zulfi Raoji was the state representative who has convinced us to participate massively in many sectors in the state. Already we are procuring mangoes from the state for a very long time, and we hope that in time to come we will also set up a mango processing plant in the state so that the farmers get benefit and the exports are taking place from the state rather than from other states of India. I believe that the experience and expertise of our group will contribute to the early success and all-round benefit for the development of the rural areas of the state of Andhra Pradesh. The sheep and goat program is significant because it will help the women folk to be independent, to be able to earn a good livelihood, and hopefully this will help them to educate their children, which will bring more progress and more prosperity to the state. I was requested to simultaneously consider the establishment of another unit in the district of Kurnool, and last evening we had a discussion of the board of our company in India, and they have agreed to start a project same time as East Godavari in Kurnool, and we would be happy if the state government will identify some land which we can purchase or we can lease and set up a unit there. And the objective will be that the Kurnool unit should ideally start even before the East Godavari mother plant. Andhra Pradesh state is already contributing to the food security of the nation. The farmers of the state are renowned for their productivity. I am confident that going forward with the support of the Honorable CM and the state administration, the benefit to the farmers would increase. And besides contribution to the nation's requirement for cereals, sheep and goat meat can also be an important item in the diet of the people who eat sheep and goat meat. I would like to mention that there was some delay in the startup of the project in East Godavari. This was only due to the pandemic of COVID, but we hope to recover the lost time. If we are permitted, we would like to initiate a program with the Animal Husbandry Department of the state to bring in technologies for rearing and improving the breed of sheep and goat from countries such as Australia, South Africa, and UK. These are the 3 countries where our studies have shown that the productivity and the weight gains of the sheep and goat and the number of animals that are born is far greater than in other countries. So Andhra Pradesh already has good breeds, but certain technologies, certain animal husbandry practices can be incorporated, and we would be willing to support bringing in the experts from these countries to come to Andhra Pradesh for a month or 15 days and see how they can advise us to improve the systems. There is demand for sheep and goat not only in the export markets but also in the domestic markets. We as a company have investments in the retail distribution of meat in the states of Kerala and also in the major urban centers. So we hope that Andhra Pradesh sheep and goat meat will become a popular product in this country. I would like to thank the ministers, the collectors, the honorable secretaries of the state, Zulfi Bhai, and the Chief Minister for giving us this opportunity to participate in the scheme. And as they say, thank you and Dhanyavadu Mulu. Thank you.
My sincere thanks to you, Irfan ji, and also to Zulfi ji also. I appreciate the effort what you're putting in for the upliftment of women in our country, in our state. Deepest of my heart, my profound thanks to you in this regard.